If you're running a trade business, I'm going to show you how to turn your website into a job booking machine that should convert 2 to 5x more visitors automatically. Okay, and you can implement this today if you need to, and I'll send you this doc for free if you just click the link below. Okay, so your website is not a digital business card. It should book jobs while you're busy on the tools. Okay, right now, 80 to 90% of your visitors don't call, don't submit a form, and don't ask for a quote. Okay, so that traffic you are paying for, you are losing. So you are literally paying for nothing. Okay, and they go to another tradies website. It's easy to get access to. They're going to call them. Okay, so they leave, you lose a job, your competitor gets paid. 72% of jobs are lost before you even quote because your website doesn't capture them fast enough. So, and this guide fixes that for you super fast. All right, so I'm going to give you practical steps on fixing this immediately. Okay, so number one is you want to replace your website hero area with one primary action, which is book a quote. So most tradies websites say too much, hide the phone number, missing the next step clarity, and don't convert mobile users. Okay, so replace this exact layout with a big headline, need a quote, book in 60 seconds. Okay, main call to action button, get a quote. Secondary call to action, click to call, and I'll show you what it looks like. Proof bar, so put your reviews on there. So within 3 seconds, the buyer should know exactly what to do, and it keeps high intent buyers on your site for longer. Okay, so you can see here, I've got an example. It's pretty small. Let me zoom in here quickly. I basically Googled a roofing company near me, right? So obviously what I want is high traffic websites, so high people that are paying a lot of money for Google search. So two different businesses came up. One is basically much better than the other, essentially. Okay, this one here, I don't know if you can see that clearly, but it's just a whole lot of information. There's no call to action. There's no clear there's no clear action to make. Okay, where this one, roofing contractors, I would still put some better hero copy in there just to make sure they book a quote, and then there's a button. Even better, I would actually just have an instant quote form. Okay, so that's how I would actually convert a lot more traffic straight away onto your website that you already have. Okay, so pretty simple changes to make. So step two is add a click to call plus SMS to every section. Okay, so phone leads convert 10 to 15 times better than web forms. Most people are still calling tradie businesses for quotes. Okay, so you need to have a system that converts those. So what you need to have is a sticky phone button. Okay, so basically a link with the phone number to call you. Okay, sticky SMS icon so that connects to an SMS to text straight away. This is powerful. Both viewable on mobile screens. 80-90% of your customers are on mobile, so just don't just have it viewable for desktop, which most people have. Okay, add a send a photo CTA for WhatsApp. So what I mean by that is straight away they get a WhatsApp message from your business saying, "Hey, it's easier. Can you just send a photo? We can give you a quick quote." Okay, that's going to double your conversions alone for urgent jobs. Number three, okay, show proof before pictures. So most tradie sites lead with polished project photos, but people buy trust first. They don't know if you did the job. They're scared of dodgy operators. They don't really know what they're looking for. Okay, swap your order to this: reviews, licenses, membership badges, before and after job photos, so they can see the job you did, and then awards or certifications. Okay, credibility creates conversion. And again, this is going to keep the buyer on your page. Okay, proof equals confidence, confidence equals phone calls. All right. Number four is reduce form fields to only the essentials. So when you have a form, name, suburb, phone number, email as well if you need to, job type, drop down. Okay, after submit, so once they submit the form, you should not be responding within 5 hours later with, "Hey, what's up, how can I help?" They should get an AI that texts them straight away asking for more details, so you actually get rid of the dead leads, plus you get more, okay, 15 to 30% more form conversions. All right, but the AI follow is going to be key here in terms of actually turning that inquiry into a quote. Okay, again, if you don't have this set up or you don't know how to set it up, I'll show you how to do it. So number five, offer instant price guidance. This isn't essential, but it's a good it's a good bonus to have. So a little bit of a price range calculator. Tradies fear quoting for tie kickers, customers fear hidden costs. So let's solve both of these instantly, right? Example, straight away, tell us your job plus location, and we'll send an estimated price right now. So what that's doing is it's getting a high intent lead, opting in, sending you photos, committing to the inquiry. All right, you can give them a bit of if you can set up an estimator form, which you can do this, it's not hard. Set up an estimator form that sends them a bit of a guide on terms of price and timeframes. So they feel like they owe you, okay, momentum, so they want the job done, and the lock-in effect, they stop shopping around. Okay, proven to convert 3 to 5x more visitors, and it works without ads. Okay, so you're not spending more money here. So here's a little example, okay, of a revenue impact that we did. All right, so we saw the monthly visitors, okay, old website conversion, new conversion, extra quotes that month, extra revenue made that month for this company. Absolutely insane. Okay, these are what these little. So this is what's going to happen in terms of impact when you make these little changes. Okay, stop paying for traffic when your website is leaking money. Okay, the answer isn't to spend more on leads and ads; it's to fix the leaks. Okay, so the tools you can use right now to win. All right, I'm not hiding anything in this. So if you want these systems, so basically instant quote forms, AI follow-up, SMS, and WhatsApp reviews widget. Okay, basic options here: GHL form embedded, GHL AI, click send, Google badge, just examples. Premium instant pricing tool, TradeOS AI, Twilio, Trustpilot, and embed. Okay, purpose is to conversion engine, recover silent leads, and speed and convenience, and trust and social proof. Okay, these are the tools that I would use. By the way, this is all included in our system. If you want to, I'll send you this doc and you can click that and book a call. Sorry, book a demo, and we can show you how it works. But the goal here is to have instant action on every page, zero confusion, mobile first navigation, clear credibility, fast track bookings, AI follow-ups when you miss calls. All right, your website should book jobs, not just look nice. Okay, so here's a bit of an audit checklist that I will be going through right now. So tick what applies on your website. And what doesn't, okay, and then fix those right now. This is what's going to help you improve those conversion rates, all right? So, is your call to action isn't above the fold, no click call to action button, slow mobile load time, no trust reviews above the images, contact methods hidden, form asks for too much, no instant pricing guidance. Okay, 3 to 4 checks equals revenue leaking, 5 plus critical website failure. All, if you don't have any of these things, your competitors are thanking you right now. Okay, so what happens next if you want this installed in under 7 days instead of you trying to work all this out or pay thousands and thousands of dollars for it? We do this for under $150 a week. Okay, our system will do mobile first rebuild, instant quote funnels, hour follow-ups, quote chases, reporting and ROI dashboards, and no lock-ins. Okay, if this is interesting for you, click this link here and it'll take you to the page where we talk about how we install this in your business, see if it works. If not, I'll send you this free guide that you can use to actually get this implemented straight away. But guys, your jobs are already landing on your website. Just stop losing them. Okay? Comment below if you want the doc. Otherwise, click the link to see if we can help you. And we'll see you in the next one.